Hello, everybody out there on the interwebs. Today we're gonna do an experiment cooking beef short ribs 3 different ways. We're gonna go ahead and put a binder of olive oil on them, and put salt and pepper, and then sprinkle them with garlic salt at the end. And then we're gonna put them in the pressure cooker, and for about 20 minutes. This is my first time doing this because you'll see why. In the sense of the whole the approach of the cook, and then we're gonna go and put it in the pizza oven to sear it. We're going to put it in the Traeger directly on the grates, and then we're going to put it on the grill grates that I just bought for the Traeger. So let's see how it turns out, and hope you learn from something. All right, everybody out there on the interwebs, you know what I was thinking? I was thinking, I gotta warm these up, but I got a pressure cooker. So how about if I take these, cold as it is, even frozen, put it in the pressure cooker, layer it so I can fit all of this in there, cook it for like 15 minutes in the pressure cooker so it renders down, and then flash it or smoke it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go put it in there for like 15 minutes, all right? So let me load it up and show you how I load it up inside a pressure cooker. Okay, hopefully you can see that grate on the bottom. It's between the meat and the bottom of the pot, and I'm going to add beef broth until it reaches the grate for simple cooking. All right, 15 minutes in. Let's go see what these bad boys look like. We just know they're going to be tender, right? We know they're going to be tender. But let's go and double check. Ooh, I don't know if you can see through that smoke, but it is looking good. It is looking good. So now, let that smoke clear, right? Woo, okay. So you remember I was trying to get that under that grate, right? But I forgot that these got some juices. So those are juices. They're tender. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 different ways. I'm gonna smoke them. I'm gonna sear them in the pizza oven, and I'm gonna go and try and use one of these pieces and use the grill grate I just got, right? One of the bigger pieces. Okay? Stand by for the standby. As you can tell, quick shot on it's already coming out that bone, and they are tender. They are. Look at this. See that? They are tender already. So I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning to it, just a little tad, salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sear them. All right? Okay. We got these 8 pieces of short ribs right here. We did 20 minutes into the pressure cooker, salt and pepper, 20 minutes, salt and pepper again. I got the Traeger with the grill grates on one side. I'm gonna put some on the right side. I'm gonna put some on the grill grates, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple in the pizza oven here when it gets to about 600 plus temp. Okay, cast iron's already inside there. So you can see cast iron's in there right now, and I'm gonna go make sure it gets something hot. All right, triple experiment. All right, here we go. Top temp, 600. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what the internal temp is on the cast iron. See if you can see it. It's about 560. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. The towel. Put a little bit of canola oil in there. Remember, it's hot, it's cast iron. Okay, and I'm gonna take one of my alright. Look at that one. The angle a little bit better. Okay, in there. Wait 2 minutes. All right, it's 2 minutes in there. Gonna add butter, rosemary, like you would usually do on a regular steak, right? That's what you do. So let's get this ready. Are you ready? Remember, it's hot. Top temp, 550. Looking good, right? Looking good. Dangerous cook, dangerous cook. That over. Oh, look at that SEAR. Look at that beautiful SEAR. Huh? Can you see that? Wonderful goodness. All right. Remember, it's already cooked in there, right? So I'm just gonna put that. I'm gonna baste it in there a little bit more. It'll be good. Hope you can still hear that searing. Top temp's about 550. And cast iron. Oh. Came down, but should be all right. 3.5. I'm gonna baste it. It's hot, everybody. Okay. All right, a little bit long, but I'm gonna take it out, see what it looks like. That's what it's looking like right there. That is what it's looking at. I'll take it out the pan right now. All right, now we got them on the Traeger. One is smoking. Ooh, looking pretty juicy, pretty juicy. I don't know if you can tell. There. Looking really juicy over there. Now I'm gonna go try this. See if we get some grill marks on here. Get a little bit of sound. And I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. They'll be down there for a little bit. Take those off. Okay. Let's see what the grill grates are doing. Oh, it's on there. Wow, those are on there. No grill lanes, no grill lines though. 135. I'm gonna take them off just so I don't waste them. Some char though. I'm gonna say it's a waste. There's some char on there. Yeah, that's some char. Okay, not bad. All right, everybody. So this is the dish end result. Middle right here was seared to the pizza oven. Again, all of these were put in the pressure cooker for 20 minutes. You know, I'll check right now, see if that was too much, but hey, it all really smells good. I mean, at this point, it's not like, you know, medium rare or anything like that, but let's see what they look like. They've all been there resting right now. So this was the one that was seared in the pizza oven. These were the ones that were on the pizza grate, okay? I try to get some lines in there. There's a little bit of lines, but not a lot. But, I mean, it's still plump, though. That's a good thing because it wasn't directly on the heat. And these are the ones that were just on the regular smoke, right? On the right side of that Traeger. And if you haven't seen any Hasselback potatoes, these are the Hasselback style, right? It's basically you slide it, you cut them up, olive oil, salt and pepper through the slits, And then you put it 400 degrees for about 35, 40 minutes until they're really tender. And, you know, it just complements everything. I wish I had some tomatoes or something like that. But, you know, let's start off with let's let the big pieces of meat, right? The small ones are definitely gonna be more done, right? So let's go start off with this one. Okay, very tender. Whoa, that's decent color. I mean, it's not medium rare, but man, that's tender. Okay, does it pull apart easily? Somewhat. Good flavor in there. All right, so that wasn't a mistake. Let me get some tomatoes. Ah, yeah, good. All right, okay. Now, woo, good. Now, we'll try the regular smoke. You can tell I kept the bone in there. These already feel a little tougher, but, you know, experiments. Not that bad. Not that bad. Definitely well, you know. But much more crust. So if you like crust, that one was good. Now, yeah, peace. All right, let's take the one that's right through the middle here. Right through the middle. Now this, it's definitely on the well side. You know, I was doing all three at once, right? But I just, for this one here, I want to, ooh, no, that's actually better. That color's better. I just want that sear. See what that sear tastes like, right? See what the sear tastes like. Now, that pizza oven, if you got the right ingredients on the outside to make a crust, that I know it's in the definitely on the well side, but man, it's good. So, what would I say? What would I tell you guys to do? Well, I would say try all of them first. But if you like, if I did any of these and I probed them each and I was you know, just focusing on one, I know they'd be all really good. So putting it in the pressure cooker to get it cooked already and tender, right? With packing that flavor in. So whatever you put in there, whatever you put on the bottom of that, you could barbecue sauce or whatever. So maybe I would have put that, you know, maybe at 15 minutes or 10 minutes. I don't know, but the idea there, this is an experiment. The combination of this can be amazing, and I'm telling you, you would not throw this away, because I'm not throwing this away. It's just if you're, you know, if you've been doing this for a long time, you want that medium rare. But man, oh man, it just looks so good, you know. So whatever you guys do, experiment. This is all goodness. March 23rd, 2020. Learn something while you're at home, and hopefully this video helps of what to do and what not to do. But again, this is an experiment. All right, I'm doing 3 of these cooks at the same time, man. That was a big undertaking, but you know, you gotta entertain yourself at this point. All right.